Hey beauties, my name is Julia, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a long-time subscriber, hey girl, what's up? Missed you. So I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and I feel like I say that so frequently, which is really annoying. Oh my god, my hair. But yes, I'm back after a really long break from the beauty industry and the whole YouTube stuff or whatever. I've probably been away for about 9 months. I could have had a baby, but I didn't. I didn't have a baby, trust me. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm finally back, ready to start filming again. I'm not going to go into too much detail about why I left and why I wasn't filming and all that stuff. I mean, if you guys want me to do a video on that, I will, but I feel like it's not really interesting. Long story short, I left for personal reasons. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. So if I'm a little off, just bear with me. Still getting used to all of this. But yeah, as you guys could tell by the title of this video, this is gonna be a Morphe haul. I spent a lot of money. A lot. I haven't bought this much makeup in a really long time. And it kind of hurt my heart buying this much makeup, but I'm super excited because I have lost all my inspiration on doing makeup, and I just recently gained it back. So I'm really excited about all the stuff that I got, and I can't wait to show you guys. So if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So I have 2 bags filled with things that I got from the Morphe store. If you guys are from the New York, Long Island area, there is a Morphe store at the Roosevelt Field Mall, in case you didn't know. I just recently found this out and I was super excited, so I definitely had to go check it out. It's actually so pretty, and I'm so excited that they actually have one really close to me, because I know a lot of them are mostly in California, and I don't go to California often, so it's super nice that it's really local. So like I said, spent a lot of money. I wasn't planning on spending this much, but when I got there, I just got really excited and just started like throwing everything into my cart. So yeah. So the first thing that I'm gonna start off with is this. So I got the Jaclyn Hill The Vault eyeshadow palette collection. So this has 4 eyeshadow palettes inside of it, and I was really excited to get this. And all the colors are so pretty. So like I said, it does have 4 palettes inside. This retails for $49, $50 basically, which I think is a really good deal. I know if you buy them individually, they're $15 each. So honestly, you're better off just getting the whole vault palette. But hey, if you don't, you can just get them individually. So as soon as you open the box, you get the name of all the palettes that are inside. So the first palette that I'm opening is called Ring the Alarm, and I think this is my favorite palette. These colors, actually I should probably hold it this way so you can actually see the names. I absolutely love colors like this. These are kind of like my go-to colors, so this is why I'm really excited for this palette. So the next palette is called Bling Boss. This is so pretty. I honestly don't have a lot of purple eyeshadows in my collection, so I'm really excited about this one. So the next palette in the vault is called Armed and Gorgeous. I honestly don't have a lot of colors like this in my collection either, so I'm really excited to create looks with this palette. And the next and last palette in this collection is called Dark Magic. I really love these colors. These colors really pop out to me. Again, I don't have colors like this in my collection at all, which is the main reason why I got this whole palette in the first place, this whole collection I mean in the first place, because I really don't have eyeshadow colors in this collection. What? Ring the Alarm is probably the only palette where I have majority of those colors in my collection, but I wanted to get all of the palettes anyways, so I just got this whole collection. My laundry's done. So yeah, those are the 4 palettes that are in the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. Super excited to create looks with these. I almost spit my food out. So stay tuned for some tutorials using these palettes. Alright, so sticking with palettes, I have two other palettes here that I purchased. So the first palette that I'm going to show you is the 3502 Second Nature palette. Oh my god, they have the names of it. Oh my god, that's amazing. I didn't know that. That's awesome. I love that they actually have the names for each of the colors in the palette, because with their older packaging, they didn't really even have names or any numbers to kind of distinguish which eyeshadow you're using. So I love that they have that. I make sure I don't lose this. Ew, that was weird. But look how beautiful this palette is. Oh, I'm so weird. I can't. This is why nobody watches my videos. But I absolutely love this palette, mostly because of the row right here of all of these like orangey colors. Majority of the other colors I kind of have already, but whatever. You can never have too many of the same colors. Oh my god. I just dug my nail into it. Can you see it? This is why I can't have nice things. Alright, so the next palette that I got is the 35P Plum Pleasure palette. So this has a little bit more of purple eyeshadows in it. Like I said before, I really don't have any purple eyeshadows, like at all. And I really wanted to start incorporating more purple looks into my channel and my Instagram and all that. So that's why I got this. And again, like the other palette, it has the little sheet with all the names of the colors. These colors are absolutely stunning. I love these. I'm super excited to start to like use these shimmery shades right here. I swatched them in the store and they're like so pretty. I can't wait. But yeah, so this is this palette. Ow! Oh my god, I just closed my face. Oh my god, there's one called Sangria. So cute. Oh my god. I just sounded like Lisa from Big Mouth. So those are all of the eyeshadows that I got. So now we're going to move on to brushes. I kind of just only got eye brushes. Like I said, I really needed to update my eye brushes because a bunch of them were really, really old. So I just got a few of my everyday kind of favorite eye brushes. I love new brushes. So starting off, I got two of the M433s. These are my absolute favorite blending brushes. I really, really love these. I have about like 5 of them. So 2 more wouldn't hurt. Next, I got 2 of the M502 brushes. So these are kind of just like your regular tapered blending brush, like you would use like as transition shades. I have a bunch of these, but they're probably like the oldest brushes that I have, and they're like their hairs and it's getting all over the place, so I really needed to update. So I saw that Morphe had them and they felt really, really soft, so I decided to get 2. Next, I got 2 of the E19 brushes. They're really, really small concealer brushes. The main reason I got these is for when I do like cut creases. I really don't have any brushes that are like this shape to really cut my crease. I have a bunch, but they're kind of too big, and I really, really needed something smaller just for my eye area. So that's why I got these. So this is the Morphe M421. I use these brushes more for like cleaning up my brows. Next, I got the Morphe M210. So this is more of like a flat shader brush. I actually don't have a lot of these types of brushes for when I'm just applying just straight shimmer onto my lid. So that's why I got this. So the next brush that I got was the M453. And I got this kind of to just blend out the edges of my eyeshadows. That way they're not so like harsh. I just kind of wanted like a soft synthetic brush because I feel like synthetic brushes really blend out the edges of your eyeshadow a lot better than natural hair brushes. I don't know, that's just a personal preference. So that's why I got this. So the last and final thing that I got was their continuous setting spray. I recently got this maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I fell in love with it. So I just wanted to get a second one because I needed a backup. I absolutely love this. The setting spray is amazing. It actually keeps my makeup nice and intact. It doesn't move around. It actually stays on my skin. And my battery's dying. So yeah, like I was saying, I absolutely love this setting spray. It's more of like an aerosol spray, so like when you're actually spraying it, it doesn't like spit at you and leave like those little dots all over your face, which I absolutely love about this. You know how like a Febreze sprays? That's exactly how this sprays, and it's the best thing ever. And it smells really, really good, so that's also a plus. So if you haven't tried the setting spray out, definitely go check it out. Again, obviously you can get it at Morphe, but Ulta also sells it, so definitely pick it up there. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got from the Morphe store. I'm super excited to start making some new tutorial for you guys, especially using these products, because I have been out of the game for a while, like you guys know. I just want to say thank you to all of my supporters and family and friends, literally everybody who's been supporting me throughout this whole journey. Thank you for bearing with me since I've been away. I know a lot of you have been DMing me and like snapping me to come back and that you missed my videos. And that means the world to me. I love that you guys love my videos and actually watch it, because sometimes I feel like my videos are boring, but I'm glad that people are actually enjoying it. So just bear with me while I'm starting to get into the flow of things. Like I said, it's been a while, almost a year since I've been away from YouTube. So I'm basically doing everything from scratch. Like I literally forgot how to edit. So just bear with me with that for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up right down below and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!